What if people judge me? What if people make fun of me behind my back? What if people demotivated me while I am speaking English? What should I do now? What can uplift me from these uh, tough situations? Are you tired of freezing or forgetting words when you try to speak English? What if I tell you that just a simple morning routine can activate your brain to think and speak in English fluently? Hey guys, welcome back to English with Caddy7. Today I am sharing the exact routine that will transform your fluency forever. Let's get started. Actually, the problem is not with other people, the problem is inside you because you are thinking too much about them, which is none of your business. Let people do their business and you should focus on yours. If someone judges you or makes fun of you because you are trying to speak English, it simply means they do not understand its true value. But you know the value of this language. Do you know when those people will realize it? They will realize it when they get rejected in job interviews because they cannot speak English like you can. You are trying to do something highly valuable. You understand the importance of English in this modern era and generation. Wherever you go, you need this skill. The reality of living in a village. Right now, you might be living in a village. I also live in a village, a kind of town, and that is a completely fine in rural areas where industrialization and big companies are not present. People usually do not speak English. Many people in villages do not understand its global necessity. However, even some educated people in our society mock those who try to do something good and achieve great things in life. They try to judge and mock them. I know you are facing the exact same situation right now. But if you always worry about what others think of you, who will think about your progress? You are the only one responsible for your own life. If you consistently think about people's negative judgments, it means you are wasting your energy on them. What is the benefit of doing that? There is absolutely no benefit. Value is added to your life only when you think about yourself, improve your skills, and focus on your personal growth. You started learning English because you know how crucial it is. I am here for the exact same reason. We both are on this path together to learn and master this language. Shift your focus to elevation. While you and I are on this learning path, should we be wasting time thinking about critics? Not at all. If you worry about them, you will never be able to improve your language. When you focus on your negative people, you end up counting your own flaws. If others want to count your flaws, let them do it. That is their job. Your job is to improve your language and your skill to uplift yourself and elevate your life from the ground level to the sky level. A quick confession, to be honest, I am also not a perfect speaker. Sometimes I use weird phrases or I make mistakes, even sentence mistake, and I am truly sorry for that. I am still in the learning phase myself. These days I am actively working on improving my British accent. So even though people judge and mock, we must choose to ignore them. That's true. You must look past them because you know how essential this communication skill is. If you didn't value it, you wouldn't be watching my video right now. To improve yourself when these critics face real world obstacles like attending an interviews and getting rejected, they will finally understand why English matters. But you do not need to worry about any of that stuff. You are already focusing on your communication and growing every single day, standing out from the crowd. Knowing the value of your goals will make you a successful person and separate you from the rest. I always think deeply about my growth because I want to stand out from the crowd. Standing out means you refuse to be part of the 99.9% of people who always make excuses. Yes, and procrastinate and prefer to stay trapped in their comfort zones. I do not want to live in that comfort zone, and I know you don't want to either. If you want to achieve greatness, you have to work hard, you have to do things differently from average people. If average people are afraid to wake up early in the morning, you should challenge yourself to wake up at around 4 a.m. or maybe 5 a.m. in the morning and practice. I learned these powerful principles from David Goggins, who is one of the toughest men in the world. If you search for him on Google or watch his podcast on YouTube, you will understand what a Kalos mindset truly means. He does not care about society's validation. He only cares about self improvement and growth. He always pushes himself to stand out. In India, we have a very famous saying, the biggest disease is worrying about what people will say. People in our society spend too much time thinking about others. Yes, that's true. If you truly want to grow, stop doing that and focus completely on yourself. Build multiple skills for financial freedom. I'm not telling you to only learn English. In this modern era, you should learn multiple valuable skills. You can learn content creation, video editing, or various technical skills are there available. Learn anything that makes you a highly skillful person. Don't just rely on your college life or limit yourself if you are preparing for government exams and etc. The main perspective I want to share today is that we should not depend on a single source. We should focus on building various skills that will eventually improve our financial situation too. When you achieve financial freedom, you can explore the world, go anywhere, and truly express yourself and learn many things. But first, you need to invest you in your own growth and improve your habits. To be honest, I didn't plan to record this video today, but this thought suddenly came to my mind. I wanted to remind you that you shouldn't waste your time on people's opinions. I have to do, then I'm doing. I hope you understand my thoughts and I hope you will start working hard on yourself from this very moment. I genuinely want you to grow and go and do great things in your life. Yes, I also started and you can also. I will stop here for today. We will meet again in the next video with more valuable insights to help you improve. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and keep practicing. And thank you very much for watching this video. And as I said you earlier, please subscribe the channel. This is a new channel, guys. Your support keep me motivated, and till then keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.